good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Sun is now coming up. This is actually a pretty cool shot. We have a pretty thick layer of some stratus clouds over the Helena Valley. But you can see peaks of clear sky over the mountains there. That's due to our upslope flow. The flatter areas around here will have cloud cover, and the mountains will be relatively clear. Can't say the same for Great Falls, though. All of this moisture on the camera here is freezing drizzle. It's 33 degrees at the airport right now, but I expect this camera just to be up a little higher. So all of the drizzle that has fallen here this morning has frozen on top of the camera, and that will continue on into the morning as long as we have the cloud cover sticking around, which we should. It's not really going to get much warmer in the northern central plains of Montana here today, which is why we have all of this thick fog sticking around, and we have some pretty high dew points as well. Temperatures across the state, we're pretty cold in western and central portions of the state. Eastern portions, we're still in the 50s for your overnight lows. Miles City at 50 degrees right now. Have a pretty strong wind in eastern portions of the state, but we're calm in the rest of the state, which is why we allowed that fog to form today. The wind is going to stay relatively calm across the Rocky Mountain front. We have a north flow here that's going to upslope on the mountains and generate all that cloud cover into northern parts of Montana. Southern portions might see a few stronger gusts near West Yellowstone, Livingston, Bozeman, Dillon. You could all see gusts of maybe up to 25 miles an hour today in the afternoon hours, and even through the late afternoon. Bozeman, even Helena could see a few strong gusts as we have a few storms rolling through at that point as well. Weather alerts, tons of stuff going on right now. We have a flood warning here for Lodge Creek. This is just north of Havre, south of the international border. That goes until further notice. Minor flooding there. A little bit further south, Bear Paw Mountains, winter weather advisory, maybe up to a half a foot of snow there. Winter storm watch for the Big and Little Snowies. You could get up to 10 inches of snow with that. I expect that to be turned into a warning here pretty soon. Winter weather advisories, this includes Showdown, Little Belt Mountains, east of the Helena Valley, Big Belt Mountains going down east of Townsend there. 2 to 10 inches of snow through Monday. This is the same advisory. It was just so big I had to split it up into two. This is for the Gallatin and Madison ranges here. 2 to 10 inches through Monday. And we will go out further east right along the Wyoming border here just south of Billings. This is for the Pryor and Bighorn ranges. We could get feet of snow when all is said and done in those ranges. Radar's pretty quiet right now. A couple showers near Bozeman. You have that freezing drizzle up near Great Falls and western portions of the state right along the Idaho border getting some snow shower activity, even a few lightning strikes into central Idaho. Our low pressure system is just to the west of Reno, Nevada right now. It's making its way up to the northeast and will affect us here tonight into tomorrow. So we will have some thunderstorm activity again in western portions of the state. No severe aspect to them this time. However, could get a few stronger storms with maybe some light hail and some gusty wind, especially in southern portions of the state here. We have wider shower activity going into tonight. We'll transition from rain to snow. Once we get below the freezing point, we could have a couple inches of accumulating snow in areas like Helena and Great Falls. When all is said and done after the weekend, we'll have some heavier snow bands going through Saturday afternoon, possibly into Great Falls. You have a kind of a upper level jet feature that could enhance some snowfall through the afternoon hours on Saturday. Some heavier rain out in eastern portions of the state, and I don't expect much accumulation of snow, maybe 1 to 3 inches in Helena and Great Falls, but remember we have all of those advisories and warnings out there with isolated instances of up to a foot of snow. So for the weekend, we will be cold, snowy, and rainy throughout most of the state, but we will have clearing and warming temperatures later on in the beginning of the week.